Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. So this morning the postman has been and has knocked on and has given me this package. So this is what I couldn't get when I went to Manchester last week. Actually, I tried 2 HMVs and neither one of them had this, so I had to order it online. So let's open it and have a look at it. Cool. And it is Grange Hill Series 5 and Series 6. So as I said, I tried 2 HMVs and neither one of them had this. And HMV are selling this for £30, and I managed to pick this up for £24.21. So not too bad. So let's see if I can open it without damaging it. Nope. Okay. So let's take. Also, they come in nice cases. So we have Series 5. Let's take a look at Series 5 first. So then we have Series 5 on the back, and Series 5 is on for 443 minutes and was shown in 1982. And it is a 3-disc set. We have all the episodes, Series 5 there. And now we have Series 6 at the back. And this one is on for 451 minutes and was shown in 1983. So, discs are upside down. And then we have 3 discs for that series. So, really glad that I finally got hold of a copy of Grange Hill Series 5 and 6. So this box set features all 36 episodes from Series 5 and 6. So I'm glad to get that. And this is by Eureka. Eureka produced this one. So really glad to have finally got a copy of this. What's that? £75 wine voucher. If anybody wants it, if anyone can read it off there, you can have that. I won't want that shit. But yeah, that's it for today. I have one more thing on order, which was really cheap, but that hasn't been posted yet, and I ordered that 2 days ago. It might have been posted today, I don't know. But yeah, just got one more thing left to come. So glad to get Grange Hill Series 5 and 6. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give the video a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more videos. And I am almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is amazing. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. I really do appreciate it. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, as I said. And until next time, take care and thank you for watching.